We just picked up this Mickey Mouse waffle maker. So let's unbox this and make us some waffles. I have a special guest today. Here we go, let's unbox this. So we had a waffle maker before, but it recently broke, so we decided to purchase this one. And waffles have become a tradition in our house because someone gets really excited when we have them. So, do you know what this is? What is it? So, let's see. Oh, you found the cup. So it comes with a little cup to pour the batter. Very helpful because no other waffle maker I've ever owned came with one. Ooh. Wow, this is a lot bigger than I was expecting. But look at that nice Mickey head on it. And let's open it up and see. So open it. Whoa, so it comes with 3 Mickey waffles on this side. Oops. Mickey waffles on this side. More? Okay, and what's nice is we flip it over and then you get 3 more waffles. So we can make 6 waffles at a time. You inspecting it? Mm-hmm. Does it look good?
Oh, I know.
Yeah, waffle. The batter goes in here. Our old waffle maker, we were only able to make 1 waffle at a time, so this is a game changer for us. And then each side comes with a ready light, so you know when the batter is ready. And then there's a switch right here too, and you can change the setting if you want it light or dark, which is nice. This is it has so many other features. This will be really nice to use. So, yeah, let's get started on making some waffles. Ready? Yeah. We did pick this up from the Shop Disney website. We've heard that occasionally they do have sales on this particular waffle maker, but we did purchase it full price just because we were in need of a waffle maker, and she's been asking for waffles for quite some time, so we decided to just bite the bullet and purchase it. But I'll leave the link down below where you can find this particular waffle maker.
Oh, waffle. No more waffle. I want the waffle.
Oh, no more waffle?
Waffle, no.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We make... You cook the waffles? Are you gonna help me make some waffles? You help me? Okay. You help me. You help me. Okay. Let's make some waffles. Mickey waffles? Mickey waffles. So we're actually using this golden malted waffle mix. This is the same mix they use at the parks, and let me tell you, it makes a difference. So we just need 1 cup of this golden malted waffle mix, 1 egg, 5 ounces of water, and 2 tablespoons of butter. So let's go ahead and move this aside and we can mix it. So first you start off by beating the egg and water together. So we'll beat that together. Oh, you want to help me? Oh, thank you. Okay, and then we'll stir in the waffle mix. Let's do it slowly. Thank you. Okay, hold on, let me get the sides and then I'll have you finish stirring, okay? And this mix has such a fragrant smell. You can really tell the difference between this and other mixes. It just smells, I don't know, like there's way more flavor. Vanilla, the secret ingredient in this. So we have the mix together. So let's move this aside and then let's get our melted butter. So we have the butter melted already, and we're just gonna mix it in. There you go. Hold on to the bowl with one hand so you don't drop it. Thank you. That's such a good helper this morning.
I'm making waffles.
You're making waffles, I know. Yeah, okay, so let's turn it on. And what we love about this machine is that you can control the settings, but depending on how dark or light you want your waffles. So we like it somewhere in the middle. We like a little crispiness to it, but we don't like it burnt. So this gives us a nice option. Yeah, waffles are Minnie Mouse, Minnie ears. So our mix is ready. And we forgot the little cup that it comes with to scoop in the mix. And I just have some non-stick cooking spray right here, so I'm just gonna spray it on real quick to make sure our waffles don't stick. And then let's get cooking. Okay. So we're gonna scoop it in. Ready?
Let's take a closer look.
And what I've learned compared to our last waffle maker is we really need to fill it in because it is a lot thicker.
I'm making waffles.
Yeah. It's a lot thicker than our last machine. So our last machine was more flat and it spread a little bit more. But this one, since they're smaller but thicker, we do need to fill in every little corner with that mix. You want to hold it? Okay.
More.
Yeah, we're making more. So we really got to fill in every corner or else... Oh, it got on your hand? It's okay. Okay, I'll wipe your hands after. Let me just finish putting the mix in. I could have done a better job, but we'll see. And then we just flip it over and then wait for the timer. And then so there's 2 lights and it'll light up and tell you when it's done. So this side is done. Plate? Yes.
Let's take a look. Ooh.
Look at this. Ooh, it's hot. Kind of messed it up with my tongs, but we'll go this side. Look at that! It's hot. Look at that. I know you're hungry.
You hungry?
Look at those waffles.
Perfect.
So now let's try these waffles. Her favorite way of eating them are with her hands, so that's how we're gonna do it. You wanna try waffles?
That was fast.
How is it? Yummy? Yummy, you like it? Can I have a bite too, please? Oh, thank you. So these waffles taste exactly like the parks. If you really want that experience and you're missing Disneyland, definitely get this waffle maker and definitely get the golden malted mix. There's just way more flavor in these waffles than any other waffle mixes we've tried before. More? Yes, there's more right here. Finish what you're eating first. She obviously loves them, and we love the size because they're nice and small, so it's easy for her to eat and it's not too much for her. Definitely recommend the golden malted mix and these Mickey waffles. Well, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video and want to see other videos like this, please like and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more Disney content.